The Liberals have made good on an old budget promise. Funding has been approved to build a learning and development centre at the hospital, filling a glaring gap within the Northern Medical Program.
Once again, the University Hospital of Northern BC is expanding. $10 million has been approved to build a Northern Learning and Development Centre at UHNBC.
It'll provide a state-of-the-art learning centre on the site of University Hospital of Northern BC for medical education and education of other healthcare workers. In fact, it'll provide a collaborative site, and we just don't have that at the moment. It'll also enable us to expand our training opportunities in the north.
Dr. Charles Jago has been part of the medical program at UNBC for several years. The centre was first promised in the 2012 budget. It has taken some time to get to this stage, but Dr. Jago says it was perhaps wiser to wait.
Because we've had time to see how these facilities are being used elsewhere, and I think we're going to come up with a facility that has the flexibility to support a much broader range of teaching and learning programs than we would have been able to support if we had gone with the original lecture amphitheatre.
The centre will be built between the hospital and the parking lot. It will involve more interaction between the medical community and the Northern medical students, as well as other medical professionals. From a Northern health perspective, having a centre in which medical staff can impart their knowledge to students is attractive.
You get that generational effect, and it's powerful, and that will happen here too. You know, we have students now who are taking up their practices in Northern BC. Before long, they'll be teaching in the program, and you get that depth of knowledge and understanding of healthcare in your region, in your environment. That is powerful.
The 128 undergraduates of the Northern Medical Program spend most of their time in Prince George, while the 30 residents spend all of their time at the hospital. But there simply isn't the space at the hospital that is conducive to learning. This centre rounds out the Northern Medical Program, making it more attractive to prospective students.
You have to start with perhaps recruiting the right students into medical school. You have to train them here and give them a good experience, and that's where this starts. So this facility will give them a facility they will value, a facility they'll enjoy learning in, and something they can be proud of. And when you're looking around to where you're going to practice, it's going to be one of the things that influences you.
The centre will include a library, seminar rooms, a simulation lab and common areas. The project will be issued this summer with completion slated for 2014. Cheryl Jan, CKPG News.